All right, and good morning. And it just dawned on me that I didn't get my meditation in just as I hit that button. But let's get through this quick and then I'll have at it. What are we looking at? All right, first, let's look at the reports today. What's coming out today? So, new home sales will be interesting. They may fade because of interest rates and a lack of supply, but prices keep going up because of a lack of supply and cost of construction, which is incredible right now. So that's something to watch. I don't think it's going to be a market mover. What's the market mover right there? Powell's speech. So I think everybody's going to be sitting on the sidelines waiting for that all morning. And I've been up for quite a while. The S&P had been down for like a buck. Now we're down about 15 or 16. So it's interesting to see what the day's going to hold. But keep an eye out for Powell. Let's see what happens. If you're trading futures pre-market, you got to watch that. If not, you'll see what sort of effect it'll have on the market just by the market move, which is nice to give you that heads up. And then we got daily speaking at 11:45. And we just got Feds every day, man. Durable goods orders. That's going to be a market mover tomorrow. Um, give us some insight into what people are doing and if they're spending money. And there's a lot of money sitting on the balance sheets of companies and individuals. So that could be a backstop to a recession. Could be a built-in stimulus plan. So we'll just keep watching these income and spending reports and get a better feel for the longer term movement of the market. And then if we take a quick look at CNBC, oh, that was unfortunate. We take a quick look at CNBC, then yeah, I don't think anything's a problem there. You can see Department of Treasury is kicking out some cash for infrastructure, which is going to be good for the economy. A little money going around. So that's that with that. All right, so to get to the markets, I'm just a little distracted. I'm really not sleeping well. Let's swing this chart over here. Take a quick look. S&P closed up strong, right at that resistance, that strong resistance right there, where that's the Ichimoto cloud. I use that just to give me a general reference of a good support and resistance, and it usually sets up good support and resistance. Nice strong bar. We're going to close down about 50, open down at this point about 15 points. So we'll just watch the market and see how that transpires. But you got to figure about 15 points. That's going to put us about midway. We could be setting up another flag, just like this day right here, which would not be bad, which would mean that we can just continue that movement up and perhaps this week challenge these highs of about 45.96. So I wouldn't mind that at all, man. I wouldn't mind that at all. What makes me a little apprehensive about getting involved long are all of these days. We need these these consolidation days. You know, too many days up just reduces the probability of us continuing up. Wow, I'm really out of it. Here's Bitcoin. I'm going to wrap this up quick, man, because I'm just a babbling fool. So Bitcoin's having a hard time breaking through this pennant. We're looking at the daily. This is today's trade. Let's make that a little bigger so we can see it clearly. This is today's trading. We need to break yesterday's high. We're still trying to get this pennant right here. There's a lot of stuff on this page. Let's clear up some of the charts. We want studies and enable, disable. Let's get rid of the Kelman Bank. Okay, so here, this blue line right here, this is making up the pennant. And I wish this baby would pop through it. The more we eat up this pennant, the less energy this is going to have. But I'm thinking if we could pop through this, we're going up to 49.13. So I'm keeping an eye on that, but I'm chipping away at it. If it pulls back, I'll probably pick up a little more. And everything else is the same as last night, so I'm not going to belabor this one. That's it. It's a wrap. I'll see you guys. I'll be streaming. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell so that you know when I come up streaming. And I should be streaming about 9:15. Everybody get your meditation in, and I'll catch you 9:15. Good luck with your trade.